Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to plot your data in Excel. So before plotting, make sure that your data is properly presented in the Excel. In here, I have two columns data in which in the first column I have the names of the months of a year, and in the second column I have a numeric data. And so the data entry gives an annual sale record of a firm. In order to plot them, I first select the data, and then I come to Insert tab, and on the Insert tab in the Charts group, I click on the bars option, and there are different options available. You can go to different options, but I would like to select the first one, the 2D columns, and I select this. So the data is plotted in the form of bars. And now I am on the chart design. There are different options available for the chart. I can have different options, so you can go for any one as per your own desire. And there are a few more to this. If I click on the drop down menu, you can change the background, etc. However, the background can be changed to another way as well that shortly I'm going to show you. Nevertheless, I first want to explain a few more things here from these three options available with the chart. If I click on the plus sign, you see some of the options like axis, chart title, chart title, and the guideline. They are checked. So if you want to add further information, for example, you want to add access title, just click this on and these access title would be added. And if you are not interested in adding access title, uncheck this box. And similarly, you can label data. If you want to add data, the maximum value of data on each bar, just uh, check this box. Check just check this box, but I'm not interested in that too, so I want to remove that. Now, if I come to this option, chart style, again, I have those options available with like available at this position, but there is another option, colors. And if I click on this, I can change the color of the bars as per my own desire. For example, I can change it to this color or can change it to this color. The same I can do by another way. If I select this, I come to chart and I come here, I can select the colors from here as well. So whether I come to this option or I can change it from here as well, you can choose any one color from here. Let me check green. So now the bars are green. Now this is chart title and I can change this. For example, I add further information by double clicking it. I get annual record of sale. Okay, now I come to the format tab, and on the format tab, I can change the borders from here. If I can change the background color, for example, if I click on this, I can change any color. I can give any color to the background as whichever one you may like. Let me put this on the green or on the blue one or this one. So you can choose any one, but for the time being I leave it as white background. Then from this option I can change the width of the borders. For example, if I come to 3, it will change the border line, and similarly I change the color. You see now this border line is the color and width of the border line is changed. You can do too many other things to this plot as you wish. And if you want to change the size and colors of the labeling of the axis, you click on the corresponding axis and then come to Home tab. And from Home tab, choose a color. For example, if I choose this color, the color of the labeling is changed, and I can change the size from here. I go to 11, so it is changed. The same I can do with the horizontal axis. I want to put this on red, so it is red, and I want to increase the size to 11, so it gives a little more visibility. Okay, this way you can plot your data in Excel. Thanks for watching.